go ahead and open the box. Cookie, are you going to be present for this? It says Fairground Hounds. Oh! That's cute. Coconut, what did you get? Come here, baby. Let me see. What is it?
It's a sheep. Oh, the fridge.
Oh my god, that is so adorable. Hey, Bubby. All right, Coconut, what's the next thing? What's next? Oh, what is it? Wait, come here.
There you go.
Here is the next thing. Oh my god.
Look, there's more, dogs. There's more.
It looks like it's chips and queso. And queso emergency. That is so cute. Adorable. Yes, Cookie, I know.
I'm gonna cut it.
Yeah, go ahead and cut that one. Yeah, we're doing BarkBox. Hannah, come look at it. They got a sheep. And then queso. It's coming, girls. It's coming. Just wait. Then drop it down to the ground. Oh, there's one piece of chip.
There's two.
Oh, there you go, Bella.
Cookie, do you want the basket?
She must.
What's in here, Cookers?
What do we see next?
What's in here, guys?
Go ahead, go ahead. Oh.
Get it, Coconut. Get it, Coconut.
All right, the next thing.
Oh, that looks like a beef jerky.
Yeah, it does. I kind of want to eat it.
I know you got.
She's going to love that. We'll have to give them that later. Oh.
Watch your eyeballs. Watch your eyeballs.
Bella. The next item in the box. I love the packaging. It's so cute. Mini Thinkers. This is the Real Sticks duck recipe. These are some little treats for them. First prize treats. Lucky Pup Lamb. Like popcorn you get at the fair. That's adorable. Okay, are we ready for the first set of treats?
Sit.
They're real small. You'll hurt my fingers. Coconut. Yummy, huh? Yeah, look at that. It's so tiny. Yes, Cookie, I know.
All right, this is a mini thinker. There's that other thing was, I think, a big version of that.
Oh my god.
Not a treat, guys. Chill. Sit. 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 Good girl, you're sitting.
Sit.
Sit. One.
Such a princess, Bella. I love it. Coconut, come here, honey. Oh, Coconut doesn't like it.
Sit down.
Bella stole it.
She kept spitting it out. There we go. Good girl, Coconut. Oh, maybe she doesn't. I don't think she likes it. Hey guys, it is voiceover me, and I am talking to you through the mic because the audio got all muffled here when I was recording and it just did not sound good, so I wasn't going to destroy your ears from it. But anyways, all I want to say is thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a part of our family. I make all kinds of videos, dog videos, teacher videos, makeup videos, videos I feel like making because it's my YouTube channel, and so on and so forth. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in the next video.